welcome back. Sort of part 2 to last. So our last reviews, we actually got a couple more figures to take a look at too. But let's get back into seeing where we're at right now for the first haul that we had here from our Amazon and Walmart stuff that we got in. Let's go to the Amazon here. This is the Cobra Snow Serpent. This is number 93. He's got the artwork there. Love that he's got this cool like wolf pelt on him. This reminds me like that he actually, it's like timber or intimidating. Snake eyes with the timber. On the back here you got the height of the figure, all of his accessories that he comes with, and again the code on the side there, the QR code that just takes you right to the Shop Hasbro site. So these are the more deluxe figures. These come with a little bit more than the standard figures. We'll have more accessories. Those are around $35 for retail. There he is right here. Figure. Has the artwork here. So here we go. He has right there the bicep swivel. He's got back and forth butterfly, up and down for articulation. Double elbows, pinless hands. Head looks a little small. I think that's one complaint that people had. But that's also because it has to fit the wolf pelt on there, so they kind of made it a little smaller than usual. On the back, this is not removable. His shoulders right here, I don't think. If they are, they're really hard to get off. Pretty much a throwback to his old original 80s version. Holster on the side here. Let's see what we got here. Snow Serpent. And he's number 93 in the lineup of figures. Alright, so this one. Oh cool, so this must be his the wolf pelt. I do want to make a custom Snake Eyes, like where Snake Eyes gone mad from living out in his cabin for so long. He ends up killing timber, or making a pelt out of him. Let's see. I'll just fit right over the shoulders. To the hole right there in the back. Oh yeah. Look at that. Very sturdy figure, otherwise I don't know what goes on. Alright, so let's see what else we got here. I can't believe we have already over 100 of these figures. Original designs. Alright, oh yeah. So everything else here. So he's got his missile launcher. Goggles here. Snowshoes or for skis? I don't know what these would be. I think these would be a snowshoe of some sort. Modernized, I guess. It looks like he just has a standard bazooka backpack. So it's just redid that there. So not like his original where it had the tripod. There's the O-ring figure. Cool rifle. That's pretty sweet. I like that. I'll check out the snowboard. Got the same symbol he has on his arm. It's on there as well. So let's go. He's a goofy foot. I don't think you can adjust the bindings. Cobra emblem. Oh, that's interesting. Let's see. Actual clip or magazine. There's the 2 pistols, a knife, which doesn't look like there's anywhere to put the knife. Oh, there it is. There's the actual magazine. Can't really fit that either on the backpack. So the rifle can't fit. This because we're using retool, so when you do that, you have less storage space to put stuff. So we don't really know where we're going to be able to put the knife, just a random knife, and the 2 pistols. Those can go in as holsters. Let's see. Ready to shred. Pretty sweet. Love these really sturdy, very chunky. But one thing that does deter from them that I take away that I don't like is that they use, because they use the retooling of a bazooka weapon, bazooka's bazooka, is that there's nowhere to put this other stuff. They don't give any space to put on his rifles or this random knife that's here. So, I'd say overall I'd give it at least a 7.5 out of 10. Would be great to have something to be able to store everything, but not too bad, just because there's like we did with the snow job. But yeah, pretty sweet figure. Love that it comes with a snowboard, but wish there was places to put everything, to store it all. So maybe it'll be somebody to make an aftermarket third-party thing. We can have that taken care of. So, all right, let's go on to the next one. Let's go with a mole rat. Let's see what we got here. So, we got Walmart messed up and sent me 4 of the mole rats. I don't know why, but just the way Walmart is. So, mole rat, he's a new character. I think what they're trying to do is they're basing on these new Night Force type style figures, where I think that they're trying to make a story narrative about like mining underneath the tunnels in England or somewhere in a mining community where they find energon, and it looks like it's turning them into zombies. He doesn't really seem to come with too many accessories, but more like a troop builder. Design there. What's cool is they have Dark Energon from the Transformers, so he shares that. Let's see what we got here. See the figure. He's number 94. There's he. Pretty cool. It's reflective too much, or it might be. Here. Almost shares the same kind of pants as buddy right here. Snow Serpent. Yeah, at least for the it's weird though. Snow Serpent doesn't have this part right here, the shin. It almost is like the knees. But even the knees are different, so this is a whole new mold too. mark's not removable. Again, love that they come with this butterfly. Oh, looks like it's got some cool hosing right here. Shoulders. Pretty sweet. Head pops off. So this one has just the double pin, or whatever you would call that, where it's the ball socket. Yeah, never checked that one, but yeah, same thing for Snow Serpent there. So let's see, these have some accessories. Spindle bag. Got some sort of lantern. Yeah, it's got a little purple in there, so that's me. Drill maybe? Yeah, this is a drill. Yeah, this was the drill. Looks like it attaches, must attach to the to another piece as well. Oh yeah, right here. Interesting that it goes sideways though. Oh yeah, that's cool. Backpack with the hose. A little bit of flex on there. Clip here, so that must connect the maybe the lamp. Oh, another part of it. That's cool. So this comes apart. There's a couple things here. Ooh, that wasn't good. Got some serious stress there. Oh yeah, it turns into a rifle. Nice. That's cool. Let's see what else. Must be some sort of reader, some sort of meter thing. I don't know if that's what this connects to, or if this this supposed to be a connector to the. Oh, there we go. That connects right here to the mask. Very much like the Hazard Vipers. Let's head on here. There we go. This must connect to, oh, this must connect here. Chest. This is pretty cool. Backpack goes in. And then this tube. Let's go into his little cheek here. Oh yeah, love it. Love the originality. Love that it comes with these cool accessories. You can interchange them. You can build new things with it. Definitely love that it's an original idea. We haven't seen anything like this yet. And then we're really touching the heartstrings of the zombies. So yeah, overall, definitely give it an 8.5 out of 10. These ones are available, I think, on Walmart.com. Right now, pre-orders, I think they are exclusive to Walmart. I could be wrong, but feel free to, comment down below if they aren't. And if you haven't already, please feel free to subscribe to my channel. I've been trying to get over 100 now. And hopefully we'll get there soon.